Let's talk about the supernatural movie and possibilities of where it could go. Right? First, let me wash my hands. I think it could go to Amazon Video, plus I think it can go to CW. I think it can also go to TNT. I also think that it could go to, it all depends on what Warburg thinks, right? But I also think it could go to the one, the only. Hey, kitty cat, man. Hey, puppy. Hey, baby. Come on. Come on, Vanna. Come on, Vanna. Let's go. The one, they only said Warner Brothers. I said Netflix, right? It can go to Peacock, right? It could really go anywhere. That's the thing that really matters here. It could really go anywhere. Right? So Peacock, right? It can go to Paramount Plus, right? Uh, but I think it'd be cool. It could also go to theaters, right? Which would also be cool. It could, like I said before, it could be on TV. It could be online. To me, it'd be cool if it just comes out. It's rumored right now that it can come out, but the rumors have kind of stopped. I'm just stating possibilities. If it does come out, this is where it will go. Hey, girl, you coming? Come on in. We'll move your stuff off your dog bed. Go ahead, lay down. Lay down. No? Come on. Yeah. That's what I think about it. That's where it should go. But next, should I do a plot video? What I think the plot should be like? Oh wait, I've already done that. What the plot to the movie should be like. Yeah.